On January 15, a massive undersea volcano erupted, causing one of the biggest disasters of the 21st century. This small country, often overlooked, witnessed an eruption with an intensity 100 times greater than the Hiroshima nuclear bomb. The ash cloud and shockwaves spread thousands of kilometers, triggering tsunamis that reached Japan. In South America, a major oil spill occurred when the tsunami hit an oil refinery, spilling 11,900% of its balance into the ocean. This catastrophic event posed a significant threat to marine life, leading to an environmental emergency declaration. Stay informed by subscribing for more updates on such events.